I got rejected in Amazon system design interview just because I could not answer this simple question. So interviewer asked me that I have to design Instagram feed. Question was basically how will the front end fetch millions of posts from backend without crashing users browser or app. Now the answer which I gave was that I'll just simply create an API which will get the all the posts from the backend all at once. Instead, what I should have answered was that we will be using cursor based pagination. So let me explain you what cursor based pagination is. Let's say this is the first API which you have to call to get items from the backend. So you will pass user ID and a limit. So limit is how many number of posts you want from the backend. Let's say you want 10 posts. Now with this API, backend will return you all the 10 items, right? Let's say item ID is from 101 to 110. These 10 items backend will return, and it will return you next cursor. This next cursor is the last item you got in the response. So 110 was the last item you got, so that will be the cursor value. Now when the next API call will happen, right, your API will look something like this. So you will pass user ID, you will pass limit as 10, and the cursor will be the value from where you left off in the previous API. Now backend will return you items from 111 to 120, and now again the next cursor will be 120. So from next you will, in the next API you will pass cursor value as 120.